on the clouds of the universe resides the tree of wisdom, which is a symbol of peace, serenity, growth, and development. Many times people get caught up in a misunderstanding of time, where we define aging process as the slow loss of youth. But we forget that by losing youth, we are gaining wisdom. Thus, nature constantly takes care of the balance. Only because of time, we can experience so many beautiful moments that remind us of the wonder of joy and love. And of course, also difficult times that help us to grow and learn. Therefore, time is not our enemy, but a friend on the path of our own development and quest for wisdom. Of course, everything is fleeting, so we lose something we once had. But with an act of losing, we slowly open the door to something new. Like a tree releases its leaves each season, and with that makes room for new ones in the upcoming new season. The majestic trunk reminds us of our stability and willpower, which helped us to get through difficult moments. And because of deep roots, we never really forget who we truly are. May this painting remind you that whenever you lose something, you're also gaining something more valuable. When you think you're not enough, you've forgotten about your roots, but you never left them behind. When you're sad that something is over, you're also planting seeds for your future. Everything in nature has always two sides, and our perspective will determine on which one we stand. So, my friends, I hope anything from here is resonating with you. I hope it can inspire you to make certain necessary changes that you feel you need to make, and let me know in the comment section how it inspired you.